The Dust Sentry takes the guesswork out of when to empty your dust collector or pre-separator's dust container, which helps to prevent overfilling and filter clogging. The optical sensor uses infrared technology to automatically detect when the dust container is full and alerts the user with a high visibility strobe light, perfect for busy and noisy work environments. If your Dust Sentry isn't working as expected and/or providing false alerts, check out these possible causes and what can be done to remedy them. Due to the way the cyclone deposits dust into the dust container, the dust will volcano inside the container and appear higher or lower than normal, depending on sensor location and distance setting. 1. The Dust Sentry not flashing soon enough, and the pile of dust is bridging the cyclone and clogging the filter. Dust will settle when the bin is removed, giving the false impression that there is more space to be used in the drum. 2. The Dust Sentry is flashing too early, and the bin is not as full as the user expects. For lids that are not pre-drilled, you may have to adjust the location of the sensor. See the installation manual or our in-depth assembly video on how to adjust the set level screw. The Dust Sentry can accumulate a buildup of dust on the eye of the sensor. To remedy this, pop the sensor out, wipe it with a microfiber cloth or tissue, and reinstall the sensor. We recommend you do this every time that you empty the drum. The dust container's interior is reflecting the infrared light when the container is empty. Oneida Air Systems provides a cardboard insert to prevent false readings. Check to make sure that this is installed. You can also cover the bottom of the container with a matte paint. The bag has been sucked up into the cyclone and is blocking the sensor. Cyclonic dust containers require a bag retaining system, otherwise the empty bag can be sucked up into the cyclone. Some of our dust collectors have a built-in bag holding system, while for others we recommend one of our bag holding sleeves. The bag is bunching up. Ensure that the bag is fully expanded to the inside of the drum and that the upper edge of the bag is folded out and over the lip of the drum. If you continue to experience difficulty with your Dust Sentry, contact our customer support team by visiting oneida-air.com/cst to complete a customer support request.